Hello you! In this series of videos we're going to talk you through some handy how-to guides for your GWM ORA. So let's get started. In this video we're going to talk you through all of the useful features to know about your GWM ORA navigation system. Much like the rest of your GWM ORA infotainment system, it's designed to be easy to use, accessible and useful on the go. So, if you click your home button, you can access the navigation map, and from here you can clearly see the tap to search icon. A great feature about the setup of the navigation system is that you can also have your media display right next to it, so you can see both at the same time. As you tap the search icon, you can simply enter a place, road, address or postcode to find where you want to go, or from here you can save various favourites including home, work, other favourites and important places like EV charging stations. A feature that I love on the navigation system is how easy it is to see and access local charging stations. Simply head to the tap to search icon, and from here you can see the EV charging station tile. You get a very easy and accessible full list of all of your local charging stations, very handy when you're on the go. When selecting your destination, your GWM ORA Funky Cat will give you a range of different routes to take, and a great aspect of this is that it will also tell you how much charge you'll have left when you reach your destination, eliminating any range anxiety. Because your pawsome friend is as unique as you are, you can tailor the navigation settings and preferences to suit your needs by the settings menu. In addition to this, your GWM ORA Funky Cat will also show you how much range you have left via an easily accessible and easy to read colour-coded map. And there we have it, a quick and easy guide to your GWM ORA Funky Cat navigation system.